Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we are unboxing the S12 Handheld Drone Detector. The S12 uses a new generation wireless signal algorithm with an ultra-wide detection range of 0.6 GHz, allowing precise identification and differentiation of various drone frequency bands. With the latest wireless technology, the S12 can detect drones up to 3-5 kilometers away under ideal conditions and accurately identify drone types. The S12 allows users to enable or disable specific frequency bands and adjust the frequency range. It also filters out interference from certain bands, making selection and settings more practical. The S12's detection sensitivity is adjustable, which can be used to set the alarm threshold. The drone detector features both sound and vibration alarm modes. In sound mode, the alarm tone varies from slow to urgent based on signal strength. In vibration mode, the device emits a high-frequency, perceivable vibration. Specifications: display, 1.5 inches. Dimensions, 59x298 mm. Weight, 295 g. Power consumption, 0.8 W. Operating temperature, -10 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius. Interface and button description. Confirm button. Up select volume plus. Down select volume. Back button. Upgrade port. Power button. Upgrade indicator. Alarm indicator. The S12 is equipped with a 6,000 mAh battery, providing approximately 15 hours of use. It has a Type-C charging port for fast and convenient charging, eliminating battery anxiety. Charging indicator. Charging port. Battery installation. Align the battery with the device and slide it into the battery slot until you hear a click. The battery latch will lock automatically. Antenna, 0.6 GHz. Comparison between S10 and S12. Both S10 and S12 are handheld drone signal detectors, but they differ significantly in performance parameters and practical functionality, making them suitable for different use cases and requirements. S10 supports frequency detection from 300 MHz to 6 GHz, while S12 offers a wider 0.6 GHz ultra-wideband range. S12 covers more types of drone signals and can more accurately identify communication characteristics across different drone frequencies, offering superior recognition capabilities. The box also includes 2 lanyards. Comes with a belt clip and screws. The S12 is easy to hold in one hand and comes with a detachable belt clip for easier carrying outdoors. Adapter and lanyard for the adapter. Type-C charging cable. Charging head. That wraps up the unboxing of the S12 Handheld Drone Detector. From its ultra-wideband signal detection and adjustable sensitivity, to versatile alarm modes and portable design, the S12 is undoubtedly a powerful tool for professional anti-drone operations. If you're interested in this device or have any questions and feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more professional and practical drone equipment unboxings and reviews. See you in the next video.